Hello and welcome to the video tutorial on the Peugeot 106. Firstly, what you'll need is your stereo keys and a screwdriver, and weather depending on what your stereo is, an aerial adapter. So firstly, what you want to do is put your stereo keys into the two little holes either side of the stereo, pull towards the outside and pull towards you. Firstly, that'll be the aerial adapter, that'll just pop out like that. What you want to do is get your screwdriver and put them in where the tabs are, either side, and pull. That's it. Pop that in the back for when you come to sell the car, you can put it back in. And what you want to do now is the Pioneer. We've got the wiring adapter already in the customer's car for us. So all you have to do on this one is line up the pins and it should hear a click on both of them. You also got the aerial adapter. It's one of those. And all that does is goes in like so. So what you want to do first is get your security gauge. Make sure you're not tangling any of the wires up or anything like that. Make sure the security cage fits the hole. Like so. Make sure you pull out all your wires as well. Just make sure they're not caught or jammed. And what you want to do is get your screwdriver and push the two tabs on the side. Two tabs on the bottom, and like so on the other sides, and also the top as well. This basically prevents the car thief acquiring your stereo. So after that's done, you grab your stereo, make sure it's all the right way up. You got your aerial, plug in your aerial, then plug that like so. Sometimes you might hear a bit of a whirring noise, that's just the stereo starting up for the first time. What you do is you line it up, and before you push it completely in, you want to just test out, make sure the stereo works. Only turn on the keys on the ignition. All works all good. So it's easier to push the stereo in when the face is actually off. What you do? Push it, wait until it clicks. And that's it. Thank you very much for listening.